Hello everyone, welcome to another affiliate marketing tutorial. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to join TripAdvisor affiliate program and how to start promoting everything that is on TripAdvisor, whether it's trips, hotels, restaurants or vacation rentals. You can promote everything through TripAdvisor affiliate program. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to scroll down until you see this section right here. Now, as you can see, once you have this section, you can go here and you can go click on become an affiliate. Now, once you click on become an affiliate, or you can go to the tripadvisor.com/affiliates, you will land on this page. As you can see, work with the world's largest travel site and earn a minimum 50% commission. So they're giving out 50% commission to anyone that joins. Now, as you can see, minimum 50% commission, no hotel booking required, and multi-touch attribution model. They offer a 14-day referral window. If your user returns to TripAdvisor within those 14 days, clicks on the link, you'll get a credit and earn a commission. Again, it's basically, you have also a lot of content that you can use for TripAdvisor, and you have seamlessly embed links. So how can you actually join? Now, as you can see, all you have to do is choose your network partner. So as you can see, you'll need to go to the affiliate by Conversant, so CJ affiliate. You'll need to click sign up. Additionally, you can go here and get started as well. And then it will basically bring you here, click get started, sign up. And now here you will actually need to go and become a CJ publisher. What is a CJ publisher? This is basically a company that will give you the right to become a TripAdvisor affiliate and to join their program. So you will need to give your personal information, personal data. After you verify your email, you'll need to go and give your business data and stuff like that. You can also give your personal data, but that's how you can join TripAdvisor affiliate program. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.